Welcome to Exam Heist, your trusted partner in certification success. We provide comprehensive study materials, available both online and offline. We're here to guide you every step of the way. From in-depth PDF guides to structured practice sets, we covered all essential questions to help you in certificating. You'll always have the right resources at your fingertips. Download the PDFs, take practice tests, and connect with our expert support team. Interactive online practice support, so you can test yourself anytime, anywhere. Exam-ready PDFs, carefully curated with essential questions. Top performers consistently rely on Exam Heist. With thousands of learners already certified, we've built a reputation for quality and trust. Expert assistance, where certified professionals are available to answer your queries. And most importantly, content that stays up to date with the latest exam patterns. Start today, and move one step closer to your certification success. So don't wait. Give your preparation the winning edge with Exam Heist. Visit examheist.com now. Exam Heist, your journey to success starts here.
Question 1. Refer to the exhibit. Users in the branch network of 2001. DB80464 report that they cannot access the Internet. Which command is issued in IPv6 router EIGRP100 configuration mode to solve this issue? Option A. Issue the EIGRP stub command on R1. Option B. Issue the no EIGRP stub command on R1. Option C. Issue the EIGRP stub command on R2. Option D. Issue the no EIGRP stub command on R2. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option B. Issue the no EIGRP stub command on R1. Question 2. R2 has a locally originated prefix 192, 168, 130, 024 and has these configurations. What is the result when the root map out command is applied toward an eBGP neighbor R1? 1, 1, 1, 1. By using the neighbor 1, 1, 1, 1 root map out command. Option A. R1 sees 192, 168, 130, 024 is 2 AS hops away instead of 1 AS hop away. Option B. R1 does not accept any routes other than 192, 168, 130, 024. Option C. R1 does not forward traffic that is destined for 192, 168, 30, 024. Option D. Network 192, 168, 130, 024 is not allowed in the R1 table. Choose the correct answer. Correct answer is Option A. R1 sees 192, 168, 130, 024 is 2 AS hops away instead of 1 AS hop away. Visit examheist.com now. Start your exam success today. Prepare smarter with Exam Heist. Practice real exam questions. Download PDFs and revise with confidence.